Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back to draw the winner of my hidden giveaway. So if you commented camera on the video that I had, show me your faces slash stash of your Peachy Keen stamps, you had the chance to win this if you left camera in your comment. All right, so I've already pulled and I am going to show you who won right about now. So Monica, you are the winner of my hidden giveaway. All I ask is that you live in the United States. I forgot to mention that because I will not be sending anything across or outside of the United States. I do apologize for that. But just let me know if you're in the United States. If you are on Instagram, you can send me a message at mo_creations, which is spelled the exact same way, except for it has that underscore in it as my YouTube channel. So that would be mo_creations. You can send me a message over there, or I'll have my email address down below in the description box. All right, thanks so much everyone for watching till the end. It pays off sometimes. All right, thank you so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.